Alexandra. I learned about Marcy through my mom, who is in her program for learning to teach this and be their own medicine woman. Working with her was one of the most liberating experiences that I've had in my entire life. Being this young in this kind of environment has had a huge impact on me. There's so much support here. It's such a good space to fully be able to express yourself. I come from somewhere where fully expressing yourself is pretty shamed upon, and anything that could be considered weird or uncomfortable is not only shied away from, but like completely pushed away from. Like, you don't want to be anywhere near it because of the impression that it might leave on other people. And so coming here and being in the space of not only being able to fully express yourself, but people wanting you to fully express yourself and loving you more because of it has just been such a life-changing experience for me. And being able to bring all of this back home with me and share it to my whole generation and all my friends is just so, like, just makes me want to bounce up and down. It's very exciting. This property is just beyond beautiful, and Marcy set it up so well with so much love from the people and crystals everywhere, and she just encodes every single thing that she does to make it such a positive experience that, I mean, I was sitting in a stairwell having a panic attack with my hands over my ears, just not wanting to hear anything from anyone, and she was able to not pull me out of it, but let me know that it was okay to be in it, and I was able to pull myself out of it with her help. And all that she's taught me about, like, being your own teacher and having everything you already need inside you and not needing any outside help or any circumstances to change for you to be so beyond bliss and happiness is just such an amazing experience. I highly recommend for everyone to do this, especially if you're scared and uncomfortable with transition and all the things that you will get from being here. It's just such an expansive experience. You can fully be yourself. It just makes me want to cry. It's a really awesome experience. I can't wait to experience more of it. I told Marcy, I was like, I want to go to every single retreat all the time. Like, I want to be a bigger part of this. It's really amazing. I highly recommend.